Hello, welcome back. Today we will learn adjustment of abnormalities and calculation of normal profit. It means yesterday we have learned simple average method and weighted average method for calculating goodwill. There may be some abnormalities which we should adjust before calculating the normal profit. We will see the example. Here is the first example. Goodwill is valued at 3 years purchase of last 5 years average profit. Last 5 years profits were given. In the year 15-16 there is a loss of 25,000. Here some extra information is given. The profit of 13-14 was calculated after charging rupees 5,000 for abnormal loss of goods. Rupees 5,000 for abnormal loss of goods means loss of goods by fire, means in the year of 13-14, in this year there was a fire and there was loss of rupees 5,000 due to this fire. So this is loss by fire which was deducted from that year's profit. थोडं मराठीत एक्सप्लेन करते ज्यांना कळणार नाही त्यांच्यासाठी. 13-14 मध्ये 5,000 रुपीचा लॉस झाला आहे ड्यू टू फायरमुळे लॉस झालेला आहे. तो लॉस डिडक्ट करून 13-14चा प्रॉफिट काढलेला आहे 40,000. बट दिस लॉस इज ॲबनॉर्मल. याचा अर्थ तो ॲबनॉर्मल लॉस आहे, तो नॉर्मल कोर्स ऑफ बिझनेसमध्ये दरवर्षी होणारा लॉस नाही. आणि आपल्याला गुडविल कॅल्क्युलेट करताना वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट ओनली ॲव्हरेज ऑफ नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. सो नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला ही ॲडजस्टमेंट करावी लागेल फॉर धिस इयर ओनली. सो आपण हे 5,000 रुपये जर परत 13-14च्या प्रॉफिटमध्ये ॲड केले तर तो प्रॉफिट हा रिअल नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट असणार आहे, कारण हे 5,000 हा ॲबनॉर्मल लॉस आहे. नॉर्मल कोर्स ऑफ बिझनेसमध्ये तो होत नाही. देअरफॉर आपल्याला 13-14चा प्रॉफिट तोच धरावा लागेल, 12-13चा प्रॉफिट तोच धरावा लागेल. 13-14च्या प्रॉफिटमध्ये 5,000 रुपीज आपल्याला ॲड करावे लागतील. उरलेल्या गोष्टी ज्या आहेत तशा ॲज इट इज घ्याव्या लागतील. Abnormal loss of rupees 5,000 will be added back in the profit of 13-14. Okay, so therefore for the year 13-14 profit, original profit is 40,000 plus rupees 5,000 abnormal loss should be added back. To calculate normal profit. So normal profit will be rupees 45,000. Now we will, just like yesterday, we will calculate total profit. Total profit is equal to 50,000 plus this profit 45,000 plus 70,000 plus 55,000 and minus 25,000. So we have to calculate total profit. Then it will be 1,95,000 total profit. Now we will calculate average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. That is 1,95,000 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, that is 5, is equal to 39,000. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 18. Like that the answer is 39,000. And now goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years purchase, that is 39,000 into, here it is given 3 years purchase, so 3, that will be rupees 1,17,000. This is the goodwill of the firm. Now we will learn next example. Here one next example is given. Goodwill was to be valued at 2 years purchase of average profit of the last 3 years. 2 years purchase of average profit of last 3 years means average normal profit of last 3 years. But these profits are not normal because profits are given as under. In the year 14-15, 20,000 rupees profit was there. In the bracket it is given including abnormal gain of rupees 5,000. Means in the year 14-15 abnormal gain of rupees 5,000 was included in this profit. In the year 15-16 rupees 40,000 after charging abnormal loss of rupees 10,000. This amount came after charging abnormal loss. म्हणजे 10,000 रुपये ॲबनॉर्मल लॉस चार्ज करून झाल्यानंतर हा प्रॉफिट आलेला आहे असा त्याचा अर्थ होतो. In the year 16-17 rupees 40,000, here there is no adjustment is given in the bracket. So calculate goodwill. This is the example. Now in the last problem there was only one adjustment to be done. There was only one abnormality, but here there are two abnormalities. So we may make a structure or a table for calculating that. In this way we may draw a first column particulars, then columns of years. First year is 14-15, second year is 15-16, and third year is 16-17. First we will write profits. First year 14-15 the profit was rupees 20,000. Second year the profit was rupees 40,000, and third year it is 40,000. Now we will write down the abnormalities one by one. In the year 14-15 this 20,000 arises after including abnormal gain of rupees 5,000. This is abnormal gain means it is not a normal gain. याचा अर्थ आहे 5,000 रुपीज हे नॉर्मल कोर्स ऑफ बिझनेस मधला गेन म्हणजे प्रॉफिट नाही आहे, तर तो ॲबनॉर्मल आहे, याच वर्षी झालेला आहे. तो ॲबनॉर्मल असल्यामुळे आपल्याला तो डिडक्ट करायला पाहिजे कारण तो दरवर्षी होणार नाही आहे असं आपल्याला त्यांनी सांगितलं आहे. सो फर्स्ट ॲडजस्टमेंट इज ॲबनॉर्मल गेन. 14-15 मध्ये 5,000 रुपये ॲबनॉर्मल गेन झाला आहे, त्यामुळे हा 5,000 रुपये आपल्याला या ठिकाणी मायनस करायचा आहे. मायनस करण्यासाठी आपण ब्रॅकेटमध्ये अमाऊंट लिहितो. इन दिस इयर देर आर नो ॲबनॉर्मॅलिटीज फॉर द फर्स्ट पॉईंट. इन सेकंड पॉईंट इन द इयर 15-16 40,000 रुपीज सांगितलेला आहे प्रॉफिट आफ्टर चार्जिंग ॲबनॉर्मल लॉस ऑफ रुपीज 10,000. याचा अर्थ आहे 10,000 रुपये ॲबनॉर्मल लॉस आलेला आहे जो नॉर्मल कोर्स ऑफ बिझनेसमध्ये होत नव्हता. असा लॉस झाल्यामुळे त्यांचा प्रॉफिट 40,000 झाला आहे. याचाच अर्थ तो लॉस झाला नसता तर त्यांचा प्रॉफिट 50,000 झाला असता. सो आपल्याला इथे या ठिकाणी ॲबनॉर्मल लॉस म्हणायचं आहे. ॲबनॉर्मल लॉस या इयरमध्ये काही नसल्यामुळे डॅश आहे. इन द इयर ऑफ 15-16 we have to add rupees 10,000 in the original profit because this is abnormal loss which should be added back. In the year 16-17 there is no adjustment. Now we will make the total. After deducting 5,000 from 20,000 there will be rupees 15,000. These are the normal profits after adjusting the abnormalities. Here it will be 50,000 and here it will be 40,000. These are the normal profits of the business. Now we will add all these items. So we will calculate first total profit just like yesterday. First total profit, then average profit, and then goodwill. Total profit will be rupees 15,000 plus 50,000 plus 40,000. That is 1,05,000. Now average profit, that is total profit divided by number of years is equal to 1,05,000 divided by 1, 2 and 3 divided by 3, which will be 35,000. And now goodwill is valued at average profit into number of years purchase, which will be average profit is 35,000 into 2 years purchase is given, so into 2, which will be 70,000. So goodwill of the firm will be rupees 70,000.